Installation tutorial for inflatable screen. Accessories display. Step 1. Fully unfold the inflatable curtain and lay it flat on the ground. Step 2. Tie the 2 ropes together at the end points. Step 3. Connect the air pump and the air hose. Step 4. Tighten the inflation valve and erect the inflatable curtain. Step 5. Installing ground spikes and adjusting straps. Installation complete. Step 6. Open the vent valve. Step 7. Storage.